With this machine, I have two treatments.
Yes.
Just to take up the skin, the quality and the elasticity of the
Yes.
skin,
Yes.
and also to lift the mouth corner and the eye.
Right.
So it's similar. It's similar
Yes,
to-
I can see
Yeah,
now.
now, yeah. You
I
can.
can
You
see.
don't look. You can't tell the difference now.
I couldn't see when I was talking to you that you had two sides different. I didn't notice. Sure, sorry. So it's really made a difference to your face.
Tell us about your patients. How many patients have you treated?
Since September, for 6 months, I have treated 950 patients.
950 patients.
Yes.
Wow.
I have from acne scars to rosacea.
Oh, the acne scars you've been doing with this treatment.
Yes.
Oh, I didn't
And
realise.
yes, and she's so satisfied. She had tried to go to UK and have them operated.
Right, because I've got acne scars as well. So what's it done for the acne scars?
Repair the skin, so the pores are shrinking, and the skin is elasticity, and you also had glow and firm.
So for your acne patients, what's it done for them? So how's it made a
Normal skin.
difference? Normal skin.
Yes.
And how many treatments does it take?
I just have from 3 to 5 treatments altogether for a half year.
3 to 5 treatments in 6 months.
Yes.
And it'll make a difference in their acne scars.
Yes.
And it fills them in. And they're not active. It's not active acne. It's scarring. Scars. Really? So for my skin, for example, you'd be able to see a difference.
Yes.
Oh, it's finished.
Yes, you will.
Really? That's amazing.
It's quite incredible.
But that's amazing. Should tell my husband
Yeah.
what's happened to your...
You feel here?
Yes.
Tight?
Yes.
Tight?
Yes.
Firm?
Yes.
Yes, and you have a glow. Treating 4 to 10 persons every day,
Yes.
7 days a week.